focus.
What's going on?
You don't be a pussy either. Give me good.
You want me to give you good? Seriously.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Oh man,
Yeah, for
just
sure.
doing.
I'll take my phone out.
This is serious.
Just don't punch. If you're gonna punch me afterwards,
I'm gonna hit ya.
just let me know beforehand.
Okay.
Just make sure you get rid of the hiccups.
No, that's what you're trying to do, right?
You actually took your shoe off and kicked him in the nuts.
Jesus.
That was pretty brutal.
You told me to.
Wow, that just happened. You saw that happen? That happened. That really happened.
Sam, what do you have to say for yourself?
He asked for it. Come on.
Are you hiccuping?
Get up.
Are you hiccuping still?
I feel kind of sick.
Really? Wow.
I can't believe you asked for that.
You're just fucking around with the rubber.
No.
Wow, you should never open your mouth again.
Don't ever ask for
Or
that.
you should always talk.
Sizzle asked for it, and Sam brought it.
I'm crippled. I have to
Okay.
feel good about myself
No.
somehow. You alright?
I kind of want to throw up.
Do you have a
Throw up
bust?
right here.
Do you have a busted
Let it
nut?
run.
Do you have the hiccups anymore?
No.
We have a
Motherfucking science, we have found a treatment for hiccups.
winner! It ruins the rest of your night, but at least you don't have hiccups.